Hello students, now we'll go for question number 9 in exercise 8.1. Okay, I'll read the question. First we'll understand the question, then we'll go for proof. In a parallelogram ABCD, ABCD is a parallelogram. 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD. P and Q are on diagonal BD such that dP is equal to PQ. Yes, dP is equal to BQ. This is given. Okay, show that we have to prove triangle APD, triangle APD congruous to triangle CQB. First one. Second one, AP is equal to CQ. Next, third one, triangle AQB is congruous to triangle CPD. That is the third one. Fourth one, AQ is equal to CP. AQ is equal to CP. Clear, children? Now, last one, APCQ. This one, APCQ is a parallelogram. We have to prove it is a parallelogram. Clear? First one, what we have to prove? If you prove this one, this is by CPCT you will get it. AP is equal to what is CQ directly. If you prove third one, then fourth one by CPCT only. No need to prove, because directly we can say if two triangles are congruent by CPCT, this one also and this also by CPCT. Yes. Now we will go for first one. Assume it what is given here. In triangle APD, and triangle CQB. Okay, what is given, from that only we are assuming. Yeah, what is first one is given? Yes, triangle. What is observed? APD is a triangle, and second one CQB is a triangle. That one already given. DP is equal to BQ. That is given right here. DP is equal to BQ. That is given. Next, second question. What is the second one? Yes, first one DP is equal to BQ. The second one is angle ADP. Angle ADP. Angle ADP is equal to angle CBQ. Angle CBQ. Observe here, what is ADP? Where is it? ADP. This part is equal to CBQ. This part. Yes. Why these two are equal? What is the reason? So alternate angles are equal. We know BC and AD both are parallel, and this is the transversal. Alternate angles are equal. Yes. Alternate angles are equal. Yes. And next one, last one. What is observed here? I think AD is equal to BC. Yes. AD is equal to BC. This is also given. It is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Yeah. What is working rule here? 1, 2, 3. That is SAS. By SAS rule. By SAS, triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. Yes, children. Now observe here, these two triangles are what is congruence. Then obviously what is AP is equal to CQ right here. That is second one I am writing here. By CPCT. By CPCT, AP is equal to CQ. This one, AP is equal to CQ, completed now. Yes. Now we will go for the third one. What is third one? Is asking question. Triangle AQB. Triangle AQB. Complete left side triangle. And triangle CPD. Complete right triangle. Complete right side triangle. Clear, children? We will go for that. Select it. Third one. In triangle AQB, AQB and triangle CPD. CPD. Yes. What is given from that only we are assuming. Yes. What is first one in this? AP is equal to CQ. AP is equal to CQ. Just now we proved it. Now AQB. AQB. In that and CPD. What is? We know already that is this part is equal. What is? DP is equal to what is? BQ. Yes, children, complete here. What is first one? Actually, ulta we have to write opposite way. First write BQ because it's related to this term. BQ is equal to DP. That is given. Next, second one. Now we will go for the alternate angles are equal. Angle ABQ. Angle ABQ. Observe here. Angle ABQ. This one. This part is equal to. Observe right side. What is here? Angle CDP. Angle CDP. What is the reason? These two are what is again parallel. Alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. And last one. AB is equal to DC. That is we know already. AB is equal to DC. What is? It's a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to DC. What is working again rule? Here, triple S rule. By triple S rule, sorry, SAS rule. Side angle side rule. Triangle AQB is parallel to triangle CPD. Yes. Now, if two triangles are congruent, then what is? All sides are equal. That is what is asking question here. AQ is equal to CQ. Congruent means overlapping each other. Yes. That is question number 4. By CPCD. By CPCD. What is CPCD? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. By CPCD, AQ is equal to CP. This is done. Clear, children? Now, fifth one we have to prove. APCQ is a parallelogram. APCQ. Fifth one from APCQ. This we have to prove. It is a parallelogram. We know it is a quadrilateral. Yes. Now observe, children, in APCQ. APCQ. Just we proved these two are equal. Yes. AP is equal to CQ. What is which one that is? In number 2. And second one, AQ is equal to CP. This one we proved now. These two are equal. Yes. That is question number 4. Yeah. This one. Now write here directly from 2 and 4. From 2 and 4. APCQ is a parallelogram. Clear, children? But reason, what is the reason we have to write here? What is the reason? In a quadrilateral, pair of opposite sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram. Clear, children? I hope everyone understanding. It's a very simple thing. First one, triangle APD congruent to CQ. By CPCD, AP is equal to CQ. That is working as by SAS rule. Second, third one, triangle AQB is congruent to CPD. That is also same by CPCD, AQ is equal to CPD. Same rule, that is SAS rule. Now finally fifth one, what is? From 2 and 4, if in a quadrilateral the pair of opposite sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram. Therefore, it is a parallelogram. Therefore, APCQ is a parallelogram. Clear, children?